So you want to book a call with me. Now let me show you exactly how to do it, step by step. First, click the link in the description below. It says, Start Your Consumer Journey. That will bring you to my page. Scroll down until you see the button that says, Book a Guided Sign-Up Call. Click that. It will open my calendar. Now you will see the days I am available. I only take calls on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Find a day that works for you. Click on it. Then choose your time, and after that, it will ask for your name and your email address. Fill that in, then click Confirm. You will receive a confirmation in your email right away. Now that confirmation has everything: the date, the time, and how to join the call. On the day of your appointment, you call me. I do not call you. Everything you need will be in that confirmation email. And that is it. You are booked. I will see you on that call.